Hello, first grade families. This is Miss Martin again, and I am making some videos for Miss Nixon. And so today I'm going to explain to you what you are supposed to be doing and what your child needs to be doing for ESL. So we have created something called menus, and the menus go along with the packet that your child is supposed to be completing. The menus, there will be a link at the bottom of this, and Miss Nixon will also be communicating with you further information about the menus, and she will be texting you to tell you what level that your child is for the menu. But your child should complete the ones that they feel the most comfortable completing. So there's level 1, level 2, level 3, and then in the first grade menu, there's a combined level 4 and 5. So your child, if they feel most comfortable, it'll increase by difficulty. So if they feel most comfortable with level 1 at the beginning, they can start there. But if that's too easy, they can continue on and complete more too. And so in the menus, there are 4 different categories, and the categories are listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So your child should pick 2 of these categories in order to be entered into a raffle for September. If they pick 2 for this week and complete the 2 categories, they could pick reading and speaking, or they could pick listening and writing, or reading and listening. They just need to pick 2 at least in order to complete the work and to be entered into the September raffle. So I'm going to explain the assignments a little bit more, and these should go along and to provide extra support for the work that your child is already doing. So for listening, the first part of listening, it first will tell you that you can continue to practice these, and you can practice them with your child, or your child can practice them with a sibling, and you can practice them just to continue to work on your listening skills. So for level 1 students, you need to play copycat game. So 2 or more people can play this game. So one person is going to say a sentence, and then the other person is going to make sure you're listening to the sentence. After you've listened to the sentence, you need to repeat the sentence back. Then you should take turns. So you should switch. The person who's speaking should now be the person who's listening. You want to make sure you try to do it without making any mistakes, and you should do at least 10 sentences. If you're level 2, you should play I Spy. I Spy is where you look at something in the room and you describe it by size, color, shape. You say, I spy something that is, and then you're going to be listening to what they say and try to guess what they're thinking of. For level 3, you need to listen to a story or watch your favorite show. You should then retell what you heard in the order that the things happened. You can do this every day, no matter what you listen to or watch, and you can write sentences in order to get extra practice with writing. So for level 4 and 5 for listening, you should ask a family member or friend about a favorite memory. You should think of questions to get more details about the memory and talk to them about it. You should ask them questions, and you need to listen to what they say. So for the reading part, for level 1, you should sing the ABC song. Then, can you sing it backwards? You can always try. For level 2, you need to think about what words can you read around your home. You should look around, look on the walls, look in magazines, look in books, and then when you play I Spy, you should find something that begins with a specific letter or sound. For example, you can say, I want to find something that begins with the letter S, and you could find your sofa. For level 3, you should look at a picture that's included in the menu. You should read the picture, and then you should make your own picture. You need to read the little thing at the bottom. It says, there was a fat cat. He sat on a mat. He had a brown bat. His name was Pat. So it provides a picture, and you should then write your own and draw your own picture. For level 4 and 5, you should find the rhyming words. It says, will you let me get a pet? I will take it to the vet. Which two words rhyme with each other? There could be more than two. I think I see at least 4 in there. So at least look for 4, maybe more. For speaking, for level 1, you should say, who are these animals? Talk about your favorite. So there's a picture in the menu, and you should talk about your favorite animal from the picture. For level 2, you should go tell either a parent or a sibling, and you should tell them about your dream vacation, where you would love to visit and travel to. For level 3, you should talk with a friend about plants. So it gives you a trees, leaves, the flowers. It gives you some ideas for what you can talk about. For level 4 and 5, there's a picture of a pattern. You need to describe this pattern to someone else. For the writing section, the first thing that for level 1 students, you should make a picture of your favorite food. You should draw that picture. And then you should write a sentence about it. You can say, my favorite food is, then also include the name of the food after that to make a full sentence. For level 2, you should write the days of the week. It provides the days on there, so you need to rewrite them. For level 3, it says, do you like PJ Masks? Who is your favorite? And it shows a picture of the PJ Masks. So you should answer in complete sentence and say, yes, I like PJ Masks. My favorite is. For level 4 and 5, you need to write about a time you went to the park. You should tell in your story that you're writing what was your favorite thing to do there and what did you do. You should make sure you use complete sentences. So those are the explanations for the menu, and you will be able to find a copy of the menu, and it'll include the visuals that I talked about. I hope everyone's doing well. We miss you.